Let's start the drawing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First make a circle, small oval over here. Okay. And after the circle, you make once more circle over here. Like this. Not circle, it's also oval. Okay, oval. And here I make it, after this circle I make it 1, 2, 3,
Sir, we are
4,
making flower.
yes, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, 9. Make like this. Okay, first make circle, first make oval. Step 1 over here, make oval, and this is the first steps. This is the step 1. Okay, this is the step 1. Make this one.
Sir,
Done. So make it 1 stump, 1. Okay, here also I make the more 1. Same thing. Here I make once more, but it is little smaller, little small. Okay, and here I make once more. Same technique, but little small. The 3 flowers over here.
sir, can you move your camera a little left?
Why left? No.
I'm not able to see. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Make make it stump. Make stump like this. Okay. आराम से.
What is done, sir?
This is flower, but here I am making the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I make this one.
Sir, I must be able to
Okay, first. Now make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I make the lips. Okay, 5. Very simple. Just 1 like this. Okay, this is a lips, long lip. Few lips long, few lips smaller. Yeah, right? Like this. Okay. Now I make the border. So it's more clear. No, no.
Sir, please wait.
Okay, beta.
I
First,
haven't done the grass.
okay, I just complete this flower. Wait 2 minutes. Okay. Then you are making the flowers, grasses. Now you can make it grasses.
Sir, don't need to outline the circle.
Yes, need to outline the circle and then erasing the all circle. See, erasing this circle like this. Fresh, one flower. No.
Sir, can we outline the black and purple?
Yeah. No. Okay, आराम से give me border. All flowers and leaves we need to border. Okay, and the stump also. We are making the border line like this. Okay, and the flower. First small inside circle and then this circle. Okay, like this.
Sir,
Yes.
Dad, this flower name is sunflower.
Hmm.
That is sunflower.
Hmm.
Sunflower.
It is not sunflower, it's flower. Sunflower is something different. It's a flower. We are making border for
Sir,
yes.
black and white, green or black?
I put color. पहले first you draw the leaves and borderline, flower, all first do all color, all line border, and then you can go ahead to color. Okay.
Sir, is the drawing finished or we keep the drawing?
No, drawing is finished now.
Sir, I think this is Deva and Eva.
Yes, Dev and Eva. Make it orange. This color, make it orange. This way.
Sir, should we use pastel?
Yes, pastel color. Using the pastel color. Okay, आराम से make it love nice color. Oil pastel, using oil pastel, beta. First I show the color, then you guys are making the color, okay? This is orange flower, and we are putting this is yellow flower. But before yellow flower, I am erasing all this pencil line. I'm erasing all pencil line. I erasing all pencil line. Very simple. This is flower. ना बेटा अच्छा बेटा अच्छा ना yellow color and orange color. Yes, beta. Maggots. This is a green color. You can put any green, light green, dark green, olive green. Yes.
Olive green.
Yeah, olive. I use olive green. You can use any green.
Sir, can we use jungle green?
Okay. I make the second tone, little bit of second tone of. See, I put some red color inside the flower for second tone.